Airflow testing, it basically, it measures a volume of air coming into and out of a cylinder head. We use it to develop ports so we can make more power on the engines that we produce. Where we're at right now is the flow room at Katech, okay? And we do all of our airflow testing here. What we basically look at is CFM, or cubic feet per minute, and that's just a very rough guide of the volume of air that can come in and out of the head. There's other factors, there's temperature, there's airspeed, and other factors such as that. But what most people think of when they think of airflow testing is CFM. Sometimes the head that flows the most isn't necessarily the best for the application. So depending on engine size and cam size and what you're doing with the vehicle, we will custom tailor a cylinder head and its airflow to meet that specific engine. It's almost like a symphony an engine is. You want all of your parts working together just right. What might be the best cam in one engine is absolutely wrong in another. So, we take into consideration size of the engine, and again, the type of racing, or if even you are racing, perhaps it's a street car, perhaps it's a marine application, anything's possible. But we want all of our parts and components to work together. So we use the airflow testing to test the cylinder head and see if it's right for its specific application. What we have here at Katech is actually unique. We have artifacts of known value that we calibrate against, and this is a custom flow bench. So it's based off of a Superflow 600, but it actually has a giant electric motor in the bottom that spins a very big Mooneyham supercharger to move the air in and out. You can get airflow numbers from different shops and they can be all over the place, but I'm very confident in the accuracy of this machine and what it's telling me. At the end of the day, what's important to me here is building a cylinder head that's right for a specific person or customer's application. That's what I really care about. So yeah, it's important to move a lot of air in and out of an engine, but also, we want to build a cylinder head that is mechanically correct, that will stay together and perform for the customer. So that's important. Durability is very big at Katech, and it should be with most people, and I don't feel like every company looks at that, but we certainly do.